This is as clean as I can get it. Basically, it's gonna run wiring here, wiring here. It's going from the back into the car over there, and same thing on the other side. It's right here behind the booster and going inside the car. ECU, my relays, everything's gonna be inside the car, hidden. The only issue I have is the stack throttle actuator, and I do not know where to mount it to make it look good. Find a way where I can mount this and not make it too ugly. Maybe I even freaking shove it in there. I don't know. I'll have to think what to do with this, but that's literally the only issue. Everything else, there's no wiring at all. It looks very clean, very professional. I'm gonna have to run a couple of hoses here. This is gonna be hidden with the panel for the air that comes into the cabin, so you won't see any of that. I need to still think of spark plug wires, how to run them. But look at that, it looks so good. My transmission fits. I had to make the hole a little bit bigger. It's very ugly, but it's in. Still need to take the tape off of it, and then come up with a shifter. All the wiring mess right here and there. I'm gonna keep going on it. You guys saw me and my friend we put the engine in on time lapse. Yeah, it's very nice. Transmission is bolted. I bought this universal. Well, it goes basically from E46, that's out of Mustang, which has a slip yoke, 27 spline, sorry, and it bolts to the mount that I bought long time ago on Facebook Marketplace, and it's very nice in there. So now I'm gonna pump some transmission fluid and then do some stuff up top of the engine. We're gonna start it, I hope. All right, everything's connected. We are ready to, we'll see if it starts. First try after a year of sitting. Literally first try. Literally no cuts, just professionals. Ready? Yeah. Start. Check it out.
You have fuel?
Okay, so what's the issue? Did you connect the 18 wrong?
It's the first thought, right?
Yeah, it has to be. Unless I missed something epic. Okay, first try. Let's see if it starts. Yeah, we can.
We just freaking find the ground and touch all of them and see if they have power? I don't know. Is it only going to have power when your ignition's on, when you're cranking? Alright, just throttle wide open. Should I hold it, or are you going to just press it? And you can just press. Do it 3 seconds at a time, bro. Don't do it for 20 seconds, do it like 5 seconds at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do it a few times. Do it again.
Alright guys, I forgot my GoPro at home, so I'm on my phone. All my Hero Core lines ran and I changed them quite a bit. So basically this block was in this area before, and then this ugly tube was running here, and then I had aluminum tubes going up top, which one of them is right here. It was going like this, another one was going this way. So I simplified it a lot, put this thing much closer. On this side I ran that aluminum tube right here. I still need to zip tie it out of the way. It's painted black, it's a little bit dusty, but and then I have a soft hose running over top going to here. There's another soft hose right here. I might upgrade them for a prettier ones eventually, but and then this side I just put literally BMW hose running over here. Not the prettiest thing ever, but it's other time I was running like next to valve cover and down, and it was just not pretty. So this way it's going to be a little bit prettier. Again, I need to get maybe a prettier hose, but I think it's going to be a couple inches short. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to cut it somewhere, and then cut the piece of tube, whichever or get a piece of tube and basically extend it a little bit so it reaches my radiator. My fuel ran. He probably saw me trying to start last time and it wasn't starting. I had a bunch of attempts. I don't know why. I think what happened was I think I flooded my spark plugs, and there was just too wet to start, and I changed the relay. I don't know if that was an issue, but now it starts right up. My tag box, I didn't know what to do because the wiring was so short, and it was mounted, I believe, over here on a firewall. So now I mounted in here, nice and sturdy. This is, who doesn't know, controls basically your electronic throttle, and then the BMW original thing will basically cover all this ugliness here. And I lost this bracket for this side, so I don't have that yet. And I was gonna hide them, but it's just so cramped. I don't know where to put them, so I think I'm just gonna leave them up top. Honestly, it looks clean enough to just be like that. I did want to paint my core support same color, but I don't know if I will, because I don't have any more paint, and it's over there underneath. It's kind of ugly, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. For now, I'm probably gonna keep going in the coolant system. Also, I bought a bunch of rib nuts, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drill original ones out and I bought this stainless steel hardware. It's just gonna look so much prettier in there. You know, it's not gonna be as scratched up and scuffed on the fenders than this piece of crap. And you know, I need to paint it, and it's just not gonna look as good as this will.
I don't know.
Oh. Also, my oil has my lowest oil part. Alright, boys and girls,
Bro, you got freaking coolant?
No. We have exhaust in, and we're gonna do a first startup.
Of the day.
Alright boys, another video is complete. Fenders installed with the brand new hardware matching that hardware, looks very nice, everything plugged in. Car starts. Hood not bolted yet, but I gotta go home, edit this video, and I will see you next one. Bye.